I had a family here. It was a mother, 2 sisters, and the husband. The mother was terminally ill. This was her last trip and she wanted to find the roots. So it was a very castle orientated. The lady was in a wheelchair and the castles are not really built for wheelchairs. But she was just so excited at seeing the outside of it, getting up and touching to the wall and everything else. I felt a bit useless really because she couldn't get in and actually see the rooms or anything like that. I have a friend who runs a drone company and I phoned him up just to ask him if he knew anything. He actually is a member of a club as well and he gave me their private archive webpage, and every castle that this lady was going to was on this. There's aerial photography of the outside and the inside, and I was allowed to download all this, put it onto a CD for her. Now when I'm on a tour, I always make up our trip to Scotland booklet for them. We'll have the itinerary, and every place they're visiting, there's a picture of it and also the history of that place. There's also places that are not on the itinerary I take them to that I put in there as well. So I done that, and I also made up this CD for her and I gave it to them. The remarkable thing was when she got back to America, she got all her family together and she ran this CD and they actually FaceTime me in, which is really good. Unfortunately, I heard 3 weeks ago that this lady had passed, but she had written a letter which was read out. Sorry. She wrote a letter which was read out, and the trip to Scotland was mentioned a few times. So